Good afternoon or morning to you guys. Just over at the Ram dealer where I bought the truck. There was some scratches on the tire or the rims, so I'm over here getting it repaired. It's called Wheelcraft. So they do the tire or the rim. They're going to repair the scratches for it. I'll show you inside. There it is. Wow, a nice little setup there. Anyways, I'll wait for the rim to get repaired. Other than that, everything is going good. I need to show you here. What else did I get here? Oh yeah, I bought a jacket here. Had to buy something at the Ram dealer. Here it is, my old Ram jacket. The hoodie on it, I guess. I bought that as well. Truck's doing great, guys. What else? Anything wrong? Oh shoot, I forgot to tell you guys. I had a couple black screens on the screen. Everything else was working, but the screen went black for some reason. So when I got home, I shut it off. The next morning it just popped on again. Don't know why that happened, but it happened twice already. So next time I'll take a video of it and show Ram, see what they could do, but it hasn't happened since. Other than that, the tires, I tried to go for a speedometer calibration. I guess the other Ram dealer said they could do it, but now they said they can't, so I'm gonna have to buy a flash cal or something, a tuner, some kind of tuner, and do it myself. So, and I can't get one because they're not out yet for the 2022 model from Bully Dog or Edge or something like that. So I have to wait till April, I hear. That's when they're going to come out for new tunes for the 22 model. I don't want to get a 21, so I'll just wait a couple months and do it from then. Other than that, the truck's doing great. Beautiful day in Vancouver, British Columbia. I'm out in Langley though, so. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to let you know I'm over and getting the rim done, and hopefully I get another video of interior and interior features and all that. Okay, take care, guys.